Hello children, the topic for class 10 today is mode of group data. We have already seen how to find the mean of group data using the direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Today we will see the next central tendency measure, which is the mode of group data. Okay, the formula for mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. Now the formula seems a little big. That is why it is often asked for a 3-mark question. The calculation of mode is very easy and simple. Okay, let us see what these terms first relate to. Okay. Now what is L? L is going to be the lower limit of the modal class. Okay, now the modal class, meaning if you take for example, we have to first select the modal class. Let's say this is the sum that is given to you. Now the modal class will be the class which is relating to the highest frequency. Now if you see the highest frequency, we have 61 as the highest frequency. Okay, so if 61 is the highest frequency, then this is known as the modal class. So what happens is, this is known as the modal class. Okay, now the modal class is 60 to 80. Okay, 60 will be the lower limit of the modal class. Okay, that is what we need in the formula. Okay, then the next thing that we have to see is F1 is the frequency of the modal class. That means 61 is the frequency of the modal class. And F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. That is, which is coming before the modal class. So this is F0. You can write this as, F1, you write this as F0. Okay, so F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class, and F2, as you understand, will be the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. So it is nice if you can just select this 61, which is the highest frequency, then you will get the lower limit. Then you write F0, F1, F2 starting from the one before 61. So we have got all the terms. Now H is the class size. Class size is got by subtracting the upper limit and the lower limit. So in this case, what will your class size be? 80 minus 60, which is 20. Now let us substitute the formula. Let's see. L is the lower limit, which is 60, plus, which is F1. F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 divided by 2 into F1 is 61 minus F0 is 52 minus F2 is 38. Okay, into class size, which is the class size 80 minus 60, which is 20. Okay, now this will be 16 plus, this will be 9. 61 minus 52 is 9 into, divided by 2 into 61 will be 122 minus, you can add these two, 10 carry 1, 8, 90 into 20. Okay, so that will be 60 plus 9 divided by 32 into 20. Now if you cancel and find out the answer, you will get the mode of this frequency distribution. Okay, let us continue and see. You will get 60 plus 180 divided by 32. That is, if I cancel with 290 and here 16, then 245 and 8. Okay, so 60 plus 8 will go into 45, 8 5s are 40 and 5 remainder, 0 means 8 will go 6 times, and 2, 16, and 5. So 6 to 5. So we get 65.625 is your mode. So did you understand how to find mode? Mode, the formula is the only thing that you have to memorize. Once you know the formula, the substitution becomes very easy. So what we going to see is median. Median of group data is equal to L plus n by 2 minus f minus CF, CF by f into h. Okay, so this is my formula. Now what happens is, here L will be the lower limit of median class. Okay, and n will be total frequency, and CF will be cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. Okay, so the class before the median class, cumulative frequency we have to take, and F will be the frequency of the median class, and H will be the class size. I hope you have understood this formula. Now using this formula, let us calculate the median of group data. Okay, now let us see how it goes. So for the median, let us take down a sum, which will be, just say, okay, let us solve the sum with finding the median of group data. Okay, just say the sum that is given to you. Only for mode, it is better to keep a horizontal table. For all the others, for mean and median, it is better you use a vertical table. Just say they are given weight, and here they are given frequency. So the weight is, just say, 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75. And the values that are given are 2, 3, 8, 6, 3 and 2. Just say this is what is given to you. Now what we have to do is, the weight is given, this is the class interval, and they've given the frequency of the students who are in that weight. So now what we have to do is, we have to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative means, to accumulate means to accumulate. So from the beginning till the end, so we have to add up and then get the value. So for when you want to accumulate in this case, the first value will be 2. You write down 2 as it is. Then you add 2 plus 3. You will get 5. Then to this 5 you add 8. You will get 13. Then to this 13 you add 6. You get 19. To 19 you add 6. You get 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So how did I get my cumulative frequency? The first value I wrote as it is. The next value I added to 2 and wrote it. Then I added 8 to 5 and wrote. Like that. 6 plus 13, 19. 6 plus 19, 25. 3 plus 25, 28. 2 plus 28, 30. So now I've got my cumulative frequency. Now how do we get the median class? For that, first you find n. N is the total frequency. What is that? 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. 28, 30. You must check whether n and this cumulative frequency are the same. It should be same for you to know that you are proceeding in the right manner. Okay, now you have got this. Once you have got this, now let us find what is n by 2. What is n by 2? 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. Now once you get 15, you see where 15 lies in the cumulative frequency. 15 will not lie in 2. 15 will not lie in 5. Will 15 lie in 13? No. 15 will lie inside 90. So you take this as your median class. Now when you draw this line and highlight this, you get marks for it. So you must understand how to select the median class. Once you have got the median class, now you will see this will be the lower limit of the median class, which is L. Okay. This will be the frequency of the median class, which is F. And the cumulative frequency, we have to select the cumulative frequency which is preceding this median class. So this 13 will be my CF. Once you have got these values, we can find the median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So what will you get that as? L is 55 plus, what is n by 2? N by 2 is 15 minus CF. CF is 13 divided by F. F is 6 into, what is the class size? 60 minus 55 is 5. Okay. Now let us see how this goes. Now this will be 55 plus 15 minus 13 is 2 divided by 6 into 5. That is 2 1s, 2 3s. So what is 5 by 3? 55 plus 5 by 3 will be 1.67. Correct. So you get 56.67. So that will be your median. So median of this group data, how did I find? First I found the cumulative frequency by adding the next frequency to the previous one. So when I add, first I keep it as 2, then 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 6 plus 13, 19, 6 plus 19, 25, 3 plus 25, 28, 2 plus 28, 30. Then I have to select the median class. What did I do? I found the total frequency. After finding the total frequency, which is n, I found out n by 2. Then I saw where n by 2 existed in the cumulative frequency and selected the median class. After that, this will be the lower limit of the median class. This will be the frequency of the median class. And CF, you will take the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. That is, which is coming before this. So 13. Once you have that, substitute in the formula and you will get the answer. Okay children, I hope you have understood median of group data. Now in median, I would like to do one more sum where you will have missing frequency given to you. Okay, now that is the type of question that you will get for a 4-mark question. Just say that the sum that is given to you is like this. Okay, they have given class interval and frequency. Okay, the class interval is from 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800, 800 to 900, 900 to 1000. Okay, they say that this the frequency that is given for this is 2, 5, x, then 12, 17, y, and 9, 20, y, 9, 7, 4. Okay, this is the sum that is given. Now let me read the sum to you. The median of the following data is 525. Find the value of x and y if the total frequency is 100. Okay, so what have they given? They have already given median. Median is equal to 525. And they have said the total frequency is 100. Here they want us to find x and y. Okay, so what we have to do is, we will use the same technique as the ordinary sum, and then we will find the value of an x and y. Since two unknown values are given, then they have given two corresponding values also, so that you can form an equation and try and solve to get the value of x and y. Okay, now let us find the cumulative frequency. Now when you find the cumulative frequency, as usual, you write down the first value as it is, then add 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus x will be 7 plus x, plus 12 will be 19 plus x, plus 17 will be 36 plus x, okay, plus 20 will be 56 plus x, right, and plus y will be 56 plus x plus y, right, plus 9 will be 65 plus x plus y, plus 7 will be 72 plus x plus y, plus 4 will be 76 plus x plus y. So we have got the cumulative frequency table. Now what happens is, you find the total frequency. As usual, when you add, you will get n is equal to 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, plus 17, 57, 57 plus 12, 69, 69 plus 5, 74, 74 plus 2, 76, plus x plus y. Always keep the x and y separate because they are unlike terms. Okay, now what they have given is, they have given n is equal to 76 plus x plus y, and we know n is equal to 100. So using these two, we will form the first equation. So what will you get? You will get 76 plus x plus y equal to 100. That is, x plus y equal to 100 minus 76, which is implying x plus y equal to 24. So mark this as the first equation. So we have used one value which they have given. Now we have to use median. Now when we have to use, when we usually find the median class, we will look in the cumulative frequency. Okay, so that what will we look? We will look for n by 2. n by 2 is 50. And n is 100, so n by 2 is 50. Now how will you know where 50 exists? It can exist anywhere depending on the value of x, right? So since x is unknown, we cannot use n by 2. What we will use is, we will use the median. Median is given as 525. So you see where 525 exists in the class interval. You will see that it exists between 500 to 600. So you underline this as your median class. Okay, so if this is the median class, the L will be 500, correct? Now F will be 20 and CF will be the column before this, that is 36 plus F. Now once we have got this, we can substitute in the formula and solve. Okay, now let us see how we can solve this. Let's say we have, what's the formula for median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, so what do you get? You get L is my 500. Now what is median given to be? Median is 525. Okay, so let us substitute. L is 500 minus n by 2 is 50. Okay, and plus 50 minus, what is my CF? CF is 36 plus x. Put it inside bracket. Because there are two values and there is a negative sign coming here, please use a bracket to differentiate. Divided by F. F is 20 into class size. Class size is H. That is 600 minus 500 is 100. Okay, now once you have got this, we can easily solve. Okay, so what will we get? We will get this as, now for us not to make mistakes, always take this 500 this side first. So you'll get 525 minus 500 is equal to, now this will be 50 minus 36 minus x. I am opening out the bracket by multiplying minus into 36 will give me minus 36. Minus into x will give me minus x divided by 20 into 100. Okay, so what will you get here? This will be 525 minus 500 will be 25, which is equal to 50 minus 36 is 14 minus x divided by 20 into 100. Okay, so this we can cancel as 5 times. So what will we get? That implies 25 is equal to 14 into 5 is 70 minus 5x. So if I take 5x this side, I get 5x is equal to 70 minus 25. Transposing 25 this side, we'll get 70 minus 25. So what will you get here? That will be x is equal to, this will be 5 instead of 45 divided by 5. So that will be 9. So we have got x as 9. If I have got x as 9, we can substitute in this x plus y equal to 24 and get the value of y. So therefore y is equal to 24 minus 9, that is 15. So what are my values for x and y? X is equal to 9 and y is equal to 15. I hope you have understood how to apply the formula, substitute and get the value for missing frequency. Okay children, this chapter is very easy chapter. You please study it well because there is a lot of weightage for it also. Okay, now take care, stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.